Alright guys, so we need to upload those certificate into Raspberry Pi devices. Okay, so I'm going to connect. So this is already there. You see this one, or you can put like this also. Host name. So I say iot-hub.local, and then username is Avinash. Then I give password, login. Here I log in. So under this file, I need to place my all certificate. So I'm already under download, search, and I pull up this one, private key and PAM cert. Okay, should be okay. Now I return back on my Raspberry Pi device. I'm checking. Okay, so all the files are here, but we need to give the complete name right here. So I just copy this one and then I'm replacing the file name here. Okay, should be okay. Then this file name, no changes. And this one, let me see this one, right? So we can copy the name from here. Actually, I just copy from here and I go here. Then I this one and hyphen also. Okay, so all certificate is done. Then okay, Raspberry Pi IoT Core, Raspberry Pi camera. Okay, not, okay, all this one is done. Now, since there are other files as well, like capture images and record video, stop video, so we go one by one. So I try this one, and here we need to give the bucket name, right? Your S3 bucket name where you want to store the file. This one, okay. So this one I have already S3 bucket, which I am going to use my existing S3 bucket. Uh, Let me go to S3 bucket. So I'm going to use one of bucket. I say TF backup. Okay. I copy this one and then I replace it. Insert. Okay. Then here, actually this one, this file is basically what happened previously when I was testing it, and I was using the VLC media to encode my video recording. Okay, somehow when I was stopping the video, it was not releasing the device, the video device, means it was not releasing my camera, and it was still mounted in slash dev slash md0, right? So that's why I did some workaround. So it is directly killing the process ID which is started by the VLC media. Okay, so but it is something different, it is not related with this task. Somehow I wanted to kill my recording the moment when I press the stop button. That is why I did some workaround on this. So, and then apart from that, I do not think so we need to make any changes, only except the S3. We just wanted to store our media file into S3 bucket. That's why we need to give here. Okay. In the same way, we have the other file as well, like one stop. Well, let me see. Okay. Here also we need to give the bucket name. Insert. And one capture images. Okay. The bucket name. I think that's all. We are ready to test. Okay, one more thing, guys. I forgot to tell you. All right, guys. So one more setting that we need to do before proceeding for the testing. Okay, so we need to configure one user here. So basically, this user will communicate to your AWS cloud environment. I'm not going to configure because I already configured it. Okay, so I created one user IoT hub and given it administrator right. However, I do not recommend you because if you are doing this on the productions, then definitely you need to limit your access which is necessary. Like you give only permissions to communicate with your IoT core. You do not give the full access. Since this is a testing environment and I'm using this user for multiple purpose and henceforth in future for multiple projects, that's why I have given the administrator access. Okay, so this one you must need to configure one user, okay, on your Raspberry Pi. Okay, so this is able to communicate. If I list down my S3 bucket, okay, so it is able to communicate. Okay, all right guys, pretty much good. Then now it's time for testing. Okay, so we can this is the URL, and from here I'm going to control my camera and I'm going to initiate three action: capture images, start recording and stop recording. Okay, and then ultimately this will save into S3 bucket, right? TF backup which I have given. All right guys, so now it's time to test our environment. Okay, so this is the UI interface S3 based, and from here we are going to handle all these actions of camera like capturing image, start recording, stop recording. This is a simple UI interface, but guys, you can make it more attractive by putting more buttons over here different with different actions, some nicely backgrounds, some animations here. Okay, and then now we need, okay, so if you remember in second episode I already told you that we have one of the script that is always ready to communicate with MQTT, right, with IoT core. So I made this script. There is a script which is always ready to take the command from IoT core. So this is the script guys, camera listener.py. So I'm going to run it first. Okay, I say python 3 and then run camera listener py. Okay, so I'm going to run. I think no address associated with host name. I am getting some error. So it's saying fallback API version 1 is updated to latest version. Camera listener pi 33. Let me check that. What is the error? All right guys, so this error I am getting because I haven't given the core endpoint here, right? So we need to give this endpoint. So I go to again IoT core domain configurations. I copy this and I come back here and I mention this here. I think I forgot to give the endpoints here. No worries, it's good experience because even though if you get error, you can also know how to troubleshoot it, right? You will get the idea. Then WQ write. Let's again run this. Okay, so now it is ready to take all the commands. Okay, so from here we try to capture the images. All right, so we can start the testing now. One more thing guys, I forgot to save it here. Okay, so if you come here under the API here and go to course, you remember here I previously I defined star here, right? But I just save it, but I didn't add it, right? That's why that those options were removed. So I need to add it as well. And here content type, okay, add, and then rest of the things is okay, save, and after that then I need to deploy. Perfect. Okay, now come back here and we need to run this script python 3 camera, because this is the script which is always in standby to take the commands from the IoT core. Okay, and then once this receives the command, then after that it initiate the different actions of camera like capturing images, recording videos and stopping videos. So now I'm going on my website here. This is my website, right? And let me refresh it. So here I am going to first capture the images. Okay, I just turn the camera on my side and I say capture the images. Let's see. So it takes around 2 to 3 minutes. So it takes around some delay like 3 to 4 seconds, and then it captures the images. Okay, so it clicks the images. Here we can see the logs. So it clicks the images, locally stores at this place because this is the path I defined in the script, and then upload it into S3 bucket. Okay, we can same confirm from here. I go to S3 bucket, this one, right? Refresh it. This is the image I just captured. I can download it. Let's download and open this one. I'm not sure whether I place the camera in exact position or not, but still we can check. It's okay. Yeah, so here I am. So this is my picture. Okay, then I can go and do the recording as well. So now, okay, what I do simultaneously, you can see the actions also, what is happening here. So I open it side by side here. You can see here the logs. Okay, just browse here, and from here right now I'm going to record my videos. Okay, so I'm going to record my videos, and here you see. Okay, so this one is, you do not mind all these things because this is the VLC media player and version is deprecated. This is what you are getting. So currently it is just recording my videos here. Okay, here you can see that. And if I right now do stop recording, then it killed the process of the video recording and then it uploaded to the S3 bucket. Okay, the same we can verify here. We can go to TF backup here and video should be uploaded. So here the video is uploaded. You can see that. Okay, so successfully we have tested it. So from here we can manage capture images, start recording and stop recording. As of now, only these three functionality I have given to this IoT smart surveillance system. Okay, so in such a way you can guys build a smart surveillance system. Alright guys, so from here also I am passing the command, so you can see simultaneously actions. So here I am going to capture the images. Okay, and here you will see the camera will blink, and this is my Raspberry Pi. So this USB is connected with my Raspberry Pi, this USB camera. Okay, and there is no any wired connectivity. So I am going to first capture the images. Okay, here you can see successfully command capture. Now here you will see the LED will blink after 4-5 seconds. So it is about to here. So here it captures the images, and simultaneously if we go on S3 bucket, we can see, refresh it. So here it is uploaded the image. Okay, so let me show you. So this one is the latest one, this one. Okay guys, in the same way we can perform the different actions. So this time I am going to start the recording now. Okay, so I say start recording, and here you will see the camera is on. You can see this green light. Okay, and the moment I click on the stop button, it will stop the recording. Here I click, and now you will see that it has stopped the recording. Okay, so this is how the system works. There is no any physical wired connectivity, completely managing on my controlling panel, which is on cloud based. Here is my Raspberry Pi. This is the camera connected to my Raspberry Pi, and across the globe I can monitor this entire system from anywhere, right? All I need to connect it through the internet. Okay, that's all. Alright guys, so now we come to an end and I hope you really love this entire series and now you have fully understanding on how to build a smart surveillance system using Raspberry Pi OS. So if you have any questions, you can drop me a comment or you can directly reach me on my LinkedIn. My LinkedIn ID is Avinash Mathur. So if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, then just do it right now because in upcoming days, I'm going to release more Raspberry Pi OS related videos on my channel to solve real-time problems. Thank you very much for watching this series.